Today, we're going to look at how you can check which third-party accounts are linked to your Steam account. Steam does not show you a list of all your linked accounts directly, but there's a method you can use. First, open the Steam desktop client on your computer. Once it's loaded, look at the top left corner of the window. Click on the button labeled Help. From the drop-down menu, choose the option called Steam Support. A new screen will appear. This is where Steam lets you pick from different topics. In this case, we want to click on Steam Client. After that, choose the option that says Offline Mode. Don't worry, we're not actually trying to use offline mode. We're selecting this because it will bring up the option we really need. Now that you're on this screen, look for the link that says Contact Steam Support. Go ahead and click that. You'll now be taken to a form where you can send a message to Steam Support. This is the most important part of the process. In the message box, you need to explain your situation clearly. Here's an example of what you can write. Hello, I would like to know which platforms or third-party services are currently linked to my Steam account. Thank you. You can adjust the message depending on your situation. If you're trying to connect to Epic Games, Ubisoft, or any other service, just mention the correct name in your message. Once you've written the message, send it and wait for a reply from the support team. Sometimes they'll tell you exactly which accounts are linked to your Steam. Other times they might say they can't provide that information. It depends on the support agent and your account history. And that's the only reliable way to check what your Steam account is connected to. Thanks for watching.